The very first e-bike was engineered more than 100 years ago, and there is no surprise, since the idea of combining a bicycle with an electric motor seems rather obvious, doesn't it? However, the true rise of these vehicles is happening just now due to the availability of compact and affordable batteries. In fact, the boom of electrified two-wheelers is so massive that we're seeing hundreds of new models going on sale each year. Some come from reputable companies, while others are nothing but cash-grab startups that never go into production. In this episode, we'll be exploring the most exciting smart new models that are arriving to the market shortly to up the game even higher. Don't forget that you're watching Automotive Territory, subscribe and enjoy the ride! AM1. The UK-based Analogue Motion is the company founded by two friends, Nev Cornell and Jack Chalkley, with the purpose of designing affordable personal electric vehicles. Their first creation, AM1, is the lightweight electric bike for the price of a city bike, only $799 for the base model. Its battery range is 20 miles, which, according to the creators, is the optimal capacity for the urban setup. The AM1 has a classic design and can be used as a regular one-speed bike, while the electric battery allows it to get the best out of the electric vehicle's world. AM1's battery is also replaceable, so a spare put in your backpack effectively doubles the range of the bike. Analogue Motion began the manufacturing process in August 2018, and the first bikes are expected to reach their owners in March 2019. Norika. Norika is an extremely lightweight smart e-bike built and designed in Los Angeles, California. The project was funded via the Indiegogo platform, and it has already gone into production phase. Due to its carbon fiber frame, the bike weighs only 44 pounds, but can carry a 265-pound rider. It is also equipped with Shimano 10-speed transmission, cable or hydraulic brakes, and a lockable Fusion X suspension. Currently, Norika is sold in three modifications: Street, Street Plus, and Homie, featuring different motor and battery capacity. The top one, Homie, gets a 500-watt Bafang electric motor and a 390-watt-hour battery that offers 40 miles of all-electric range. Finally, all models are iOS and Android compatible, use its owner's smartphone as a dash, and have USB charging ports. Plus, there is an optional GPS navigation, an anti-theft system, and a pedal assist mode that is based on the rider's heart rate. MadeX. MadeX by the Copenhagen-based Made Bikes is not just another electric bicycle. It has a very affordable price tag and is conveniently foldable. The company has already sold over 6,000 Mates since the 2016 release, and now with the second generation MadeX, the hype is real as ever. The crowdfunding campaign dedicated to this bike raised enormous $13 million. MadeX will come in three models: 250, 250 Plus, and 750, with a difference in motor power and battery capacity. The high-end 750, for example, will have the range of 55 miles and the top speed of 20 mph. MadeX's weight stands around 63 pounds, making it quite heavy. However, the fact that it can be easily folded to occupy the minimum amount of space allows you to take it on the subway or the bus without any trouble. Turn GSD. Designed as a perfect vehicle for the whole family, Turn GSD is a compact, versatile, and very durable e-bike. Though it measures only 5.9 feet in length, it has a 4-foot wheelbase, sits on the 20-inch wheels, and has a low center of gravity to increase riding stability. The bike has a folding mechanism that reduces its size more than half and allows it to fit into an elevator or a trunk of a small car. Boasting of a 400-pound cargo capacity, it can carry up to 2 small children, some groceries or heavy cargo, in addition to its rider. Plus, thanks to its adjustable telescope seat post, GSD can be ridden by adults or children whose height is over 4.9 but under 6.4 feet. The bike is powered by a 250-watt Bosch motor and a single or dual battery system that offers up to 155 miles of range. Vanmove Electrified S2 and X2. The Amsterdam-based company Vanmove has already made a name for itself by bringing to the market e-bikes that look almost identical to any other non-electrified classic model, but at the same time are packed with smart features and remarkable security measures. Next year, they will be releasing the new generation of their bikes, S2 and X2. Both of them are equipped with front-mounted hub motors that allow pedaling at speeds up to 20 miles per hour to to the distance close to 90 miles. The battery, seamlessly integrated into the frame, could be recharged in 4 hours and powers front and rear lights and security measures. We must mention the unprecedented policy that Vanmove has. If their bike is reported stolen, the company has 2 weeks to hunt it down and return to the rightful owner. If they fail, though, a brand new bicycle will be given to the victim of the theft for free. Vintage Cafe. The cafe bike is a product in which the classics meets innovation. Under the looks of a regular retro bike hides a powerful beast with 750-watt hub motor at the heart. It is not the first electric bike for the vintage electric, which can be considered an old-timer in the business. Operating since 2013, the company has a whole line of electric two-wheelers, but Cafe is unlike any of them. The traditional 10-speed derailleur combined with an electric motor allows for outstanding flexibility for both fast and slow cruising. The bike can develop the top speed of 28 mph with a range of 20 to 60 miles. Weighing around 53 pounds with a battery, Cafe cannot be called feather light, but it still can be carried if needed. The bike is available in 3 sizes and is priced at $4,000. By the way, we have been covering the topic of personal electric city transport for quite some time now. If you want to see more videos about electric bicycles, skateboards and scooters, follow the links in the information boxes. Let's continue. Multigo El Burro 4.5. Multigo is a Spanish motorcycle manufacturer that operated between 1958 and 1983. In 2014, though, the company was reopened with a new product in mind, a cross between a moped and a bicycle powered by electricity. Today, Multigo specializes in building mighty two-wheelers that combine motorcycle design, pedaling, and e-bike capabilities. The company's most recent venture is an urban e-bike called El Burro. Sitting on the same platform as their off-road Brinco line, it however has cafe racer styling and 24-inch wheels, wrapped in Schwalbe Crazy Bob tires. The bike is powered by a 2-kilowatt brushless rear motor that outputs 44 pound-feet of torque and the top speed of 28 mph. It has 3 riding modes, Sport, Tour and Eco, with the maximum range being 62 miles in the last one. It must be mentioned that this bike is so powerful that it requires a driver's license, registration, and insurance to be legally operated. The 2019 lineup from Breuer Miller. Founded by 2 friends and engineers, Markus Rees and Heiko Müller in 1993, this German company went from selling bicycle accessories to designing, manufacturing, and marketing their own two-wheelers. Breuer Miller's first e-bike, called Birdie, became the first fully suspended folding e-bike in the world, selling over 100,000 units worldwide by 2010. Today, the company offers all kinds of electric bicycles, from cargo to folding, from city to touring and off-road. In 2019, its lineup consists of 22 e-bikes that are available in multiple trims and variations, including all-new Load 75 and multi-charger, plus significantly updated Culture, Homage, and Nevo GT, GH, and GX. All the bikes are equipped with the premium quality Bosch drive systems, motors from active and performance lines, single, dual, or integrated 5-watt-hour batteries, plus Purion, Intuvia, and Kayaks displays. Stromer ST5 and ST3. Stromer is the Swiss company founded in 2009 that specializes in development of electric and mechanical components as well as software for the e-bikes, which are sold under the same name brand. In 2019, they're bringing to the market a couple of two-wheelers that can easily compete with the title of the most expensive production models of electrified bicycles of today. These Teslas of the cycling world get equipped with the all-new Cyno Drive 2, with the maximum power output of 850 watts and 35 pound-feet of torque. Both pedal assist and throttle modes of riding are available, but the range fluctuates between 40 and 113 miles on a charge. Both ST3 and ST5 have seamless wiring integration, theft prevention, GPS tracking, smartphone connectivity, bright headlight, and hard rock built construction. The Swiss-made labels on the products have long been an indication of high quality, attention to details, and of course high price, which is $8,000 and $10,000 for ST3 and ST5 respectively. Intense Taser EMTB. Intense Cycles is the US brand that is most known for the creation of the revolutionary M1 downhill frame and the legendary Tracer trail bike. Moreover, company's founder Jeff Steber is considered the godfather of modern downhill racing. Their latest creation is the groundbreaking Intense Taser EMTB that should combine almost 30 years of experience in the field with the latest pedal assist drivetrain technology. This e-bike is powered by a 250-watt Shimano Steps E8000 connected to the Shimano SLX 10-speed. The distinguishable features are of course the carefully engineered carbon frame that weighs acceptable 47 pounds and sophisticated front and rear fork suspension with 160 and 150 mm travel. It is worth noting that many mountain bikers still oppose the introduction of EMTBs. But come on guys, electric motor will let you cover 3 times as many hills and you will forget about the uplift forever. And a little bonus for our most devoted fans. Lamborghini electric bike. After the release of the tradition-defying super crossover Urus, Lamborghini decided to let all the heck loose and presented an electric bicycle at its factory museum in Sant Agata Bolognese. But before you get too excited, the automaker is not manufacturing a new breed of superbikes on their own. The production is actually licensed to the specialist manufacturer called Ital Technology. At the point of the announcement, Lamborghini e-bike lineup consists of 2 models, an MTB designed for tough off-road use, and a road version with extreme acceleration. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Were you impressed with the newcomers to the electric bike family, or are they way too expensive? Leave us some feedback in the comments below. If you want the revolution of electric transport to go on, make sure to put a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to watch suggested videos on the screen. May the torque be with you!